Hi, my name is Kathy Sayers. I am a accounting major at USM, and I just finished up a tax internship at Dunn. Dunn is at 100 Middle Street in the heart of the Old Port, right on Franklin and Middle. It's a wonderful location, close to the water, close to a bunch of great restaurants. It's really a great location. Dunn is a full-service accounting and consulting firm with deep experience in a number of industries and services. In addition to tax services, Dunn provides a bunch of other consulting services. They work with the wealth management group in the auditing areas, valuation services, exit planning services, mergers and acquisitions, employee benefit auditing, management and IT consulting, and government consulting. This is not every single service they provide, but you can go to barrydunn.com to research the other areas that they do provide services for. If you want to work in the audit and tax group, you're encouraged to get your CPA license, and that requires 150 credits and passing a 4-part exam. If you want to work in the management and IT consulting group and the government consulting group, you don't need your CPA exam, but they prefer you have some extensive education, definitely a 4-year college degree. Throughout this slideshow presentation, you'll see that I have some slides that were given to me from Dunn to use, and these were from their most recent marketing research campaign. Dunn's mission is to help each client create, grow, and protect value. Some of the faces of Dunn include Sarah Olson, who is the director of recruiting, and she's an HR consultant, and she'd be a person that you would definitely talk to in your pursuit of an internship at Dunn. Dave Erb has been at Dunn since 1996. He is now the tax practice group leader. John Chandler is the managing partner and the firm leader, and he has been this since 1999. John Ireland is the tax senior at Dunn, and he oversaw all the interns. There was 5 of us, and he oversaw us and made sure we had everything we needed and we're doing what we need to be doing every day. On January 6th, we started our tax internship with a week's worth of training. We were there for 40 hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, training on different software and the process of how Dunn prepares and distributes tax returns. XCM was a software where they kept track on what returns still needed to be done, who was working on them. It was considered the board. You would go in, check the board, and they would show available tax returns that you can go in and grab and do. And after you talk to the managing person on that account, make sure that you had all the work and it was ready to go. And then you would check it off in the system throughout the process. Once you were done preparing, you would check it off and move it on to the next person for review. The document management system was a universal file cabinet, and that's where all the documents get saved in a uniform way so you can go back later and find something. The whole entire firm, no matter what practice group they worked in, saved documents the same exact way so we could all find documents at a later date. Fixed assets was a software where you would go in for each individual client and record new assets that were acquired throughout the year, as well as ones that were sold or discarded. You would take those out. Just the different software, we would pull up last year's tax returns and then perform them and roll them forward to 2013, and it would transfer through. If it was a client that we did the return for last year, it would transfer all the prior year data into the new return, which helped out time-wise a lot. And then we would put in the new information for the current year. Caseware was like a filing cabinet. Each year for each client, we had kind of like a file set up where we'd save all our documents, the tax returns, different things, and they were all set up the same way as well. If you looked at 2012, you would just copy it over to 2013 and then save all the 2013 information right there in that file. It's a really great way to keep track of things and save time. You know exactly where to go. Barry Dunn has offices in Portland and Bangor, Maine, Manchester, New Hampshire, and Charleston, West Virginia. And they're always hiring for good people. This isn't this isn't my exact workstation, but it's pretty similar. We had the 3 monitors, which is really, really cool. And the desk was set up so you can stand or sit. So it was ergonomically really good. You could stand all day, sit all day, back and forth, whatever you want to do. The 3 monitors were great because you can have 2013 on, like, let's say 2013 on the right, notes, 2012 notes on the left, and then your current stuff, what you're working on, the tax return, open right in the middle, and you're able to just glance over and get any information you need without having to flip back screens back and forth. It was really, really nice. Barry Dunn puts its know-how in accounting, audit, compliance, and taxation to work in ways that fit each operational style. I just thought I'd put some information in here about applying for the internship if you were interested. These are 3 ways that you could get information. Just by being a student at USM, your experience there, you will find out through Melissa Burns all the information you need, and then you check in with Melissa Burns on the dates for interviews. Barry Dunn is the largest CPA firm in northern New England with over 200 employees, and Barry Dunn is one of the top 100 places to work in the state of Maine. And in my last slide, I just have some information if you are interested in pursuing an internship. Here is a link to their website page where you can get information on current job openings and how to apply for an internship. If you're interested, you could also contact Sarah Olson or Melissa Burns for the next recruiting session dates. They come out to the school and they interview there, and then you also get to go to the office and meet some more of the people that actually work in the departments and talk with them and get some more information before you actually get hired on. You can send your resume to careers@barrydunn.com. There's always stuff going on for you if you do intern and are lucky enough to work at Barry Dunn. They are very involved in the community. They promote being involved in different charities. We had $5 Jeans Friday, and every Friday the money went towards a charity. They're just really, really, they really work hard, but they really try to, have fun too and do things that's going to, make everything, make it a great work environment. I was very happy to have the internship, and it's a great experience. So good luck to you. Bye.